Well, absolutely. I have always been of the view since the time that this bill, the Supreme Court Practice and Procedure Bill, was challenged through a constitutional petition. I have been of the view that the Chief Justice of Pakistan and any judge who is expected to serve as the Chief Justice of Pakistan in the future, those judges should not be a part of the hearing of this case, because the Supreme Judicial Council's Code of Conduct requires that a judge recuse himself or herself from the hearing of a case where their personal interests are involved. So I think any judge who is expected to serve as the Chief Justice of Pakistan during their tenure, they are interested in this case, because this case relates to the chipping of the Chief Justice's powers. So I believe not only is this case one that requires a full court, but this is also a case that requires all judges who will serve as Chief Justices to recuse themselves from this hearing. Well, firstly, I can perhaps empathize with Chief Justice Umar Bandial's view that a full court cannot be formed for every single case, because there are more than 50,000 cases pending before the Supreme Court of Pakistan. So perhaps it's not reasonable to expect the Chief Justice to constitute a full court in every single instance. But we should also trace as to why different litigants are demanding that a full court be constituted. And perhaps the reason is because the Chief Justice has been, and it's not just Chief Justice Umar Bandial, but successive Chief Justices have been recalcitrant when it comes to making an objective criteria whereby they decide which cases are allocated to which judges. We see that two, three same judges of the Supreme Court of Pakistan are entrusted with the hearing of politically consequential cases. So when you see the same judges adjudicating different political controversies, then people legitimately have concerns about the court's neutrality, the court's impartiality. Senior judges like Justice Qazi Faiz Isa, Justice Sardar Tariq Masood, Justice Mansoor Ali Shah, they have been excluded from the hearing of politically consequential cases. Previously, we saw that Justice Maqbool Baqir, while he was retiring from the Supreme Court, also bemoaned the fact that judges whose views differ with that of the Chief Justice are not included in the hearing of politically consequential cases. So had the Chief Justice forms benches, had that, litigants would not have been demanding a full court to begin with. But given that in the previous year, we have seen that the same judges often hear politically consequential cases, perhaps there's also a lack of confidence in the manner in which the Chief Justice exercises his powers to constitute benches. And I think that lack of confidence is why we see different political actors, different litigants demand a full court for every hearing of politically consequential cases.